Imagine cruising down a sunlit country road, wind in your hair, freedom at your fingertips, but this isn't just a joyride. This is your home, your adventure machine, your escape from the noise of the world. Welcome to the future that feels like a nostalgic dream, the 2026 Retro Camper Tricycle RV. A machine that doesn't just move you from place to place, it moves your soul. At first glance, it looks like a piece of vintage art on wheels, bold curves, old school lines, and that retro two-tone paint that screams timeless charm. But beneath the classic exterior is a heart that beats with modern innovation. This isn't some museum piece, it's a road warrior dressed in nostalgia. A three-wheeled masterpiece designed not just to turn heads, but to completely change the way you think about travel and home. Picture this, you roll up to the coast, pull the handbrake, and within seconds, your camper shell unfolds into a cozy, fully functional living space. We're talking fold-out bed, compact kitchenette, solar panels on the roof, and storage solutions so smart, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Everything you need, nothing you don't. You're off-grid, yet totally connected. Minimal footprint, maximum vibe. The 2026 Retro Camper Trike is more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle revolution. It's for the dreamers, the wanderers, the weekend warriors and full-time nomads. It's for the people tired of rent, tired of noisy neighbors, tired of boring commutes and overpriced cities. Why pay for walls when the world can be your backyard? For less than the price of a tiny apartment, you get a mobile retreat that lets you wake up to sunrises over the mountains, or fall asleep beside a desert sky full of stars. This trike doesn't just look good, it feels good. Powered by a whisper-quiet electric motor, you glide through landscapes like you're floating on air. It's got torque when you need it, range that surprises you, and it charges almost anywhere. Plus, regenerative braking helps feed energy back into the system. Eco-friendly, wallet-friendly, and built for adventure, it's mobility with a mission. And let's talk comfort. The riding position? Smooth and relaxed. The suspension? Tuned for those long, winding roads and even the occasional off-grid trail. The seat? Wrapped in leather-styled memory foam with vintage stitching, so every ride feels like you're cruising in a time machine made for royalty. And yes, it has heated grips. Because even retro has its luxuries. Inside the camper pod, it's a blend of nostalgia and tech. Think hardwood accents, brass fixtures, and soft lighting, mixed with USB ports, a fold-down smart screen, and climate control. Every inch feels intentional, and every corner whispers stories of adventures waiting to happen. There's even a rooftop hatch, perfect for late-night stargazing or early morning coffee with a view. But here's the part that really grabs your heart. This isn't just about style or specs. It's about liberation. In a world of rising costs and shrinking spaces, the Retro Camper Trike gives you something that's getting rarer by the day: freedom. Freedom to live where you want, when you want. Freedom from rent, from debt, from being stuck in one place. You're not just buying a vehicle. You're buying your escape route. Whether you're parking at lakeside, tailgating with friends, or just escaping the chaos for a few hours, this machine brings smiles, waves, and conversations wherever it goes. It's a magnet for connection.